Hi there, welcome back to ACE exams. This is Maath Alabdali and today I'm gonna explain xerophytes. So in the picture you can see that it's like this is a xerophyte, and uh, in this video I'm gonna explain its adaptation. So yeah. So the first adaptation of a xerophyte is that, no, before the adaptation, let me just explain what are they. So basically, xerophytes is a plant that is adapted to reduce the water loss so that it can survive in a very dry conditions. So for example, cactus is an example of a xerophyte. So yeah. So the first adaptation of a xerophyte is that it has a hairy leaves. So in the as you can see in this slide, there is hairy leaves, and these hairs, they trapped moist air near to the leaf surface, and this reduces the water potential gradient. So yeah, that's the first adaptation. In the second adaptation is that it has stomata in pits or grooves. So this also trapped moist air near to the leaf surface. It also reduces the water potential gradient and reduces the air movement near the stomata. So yeah, so this is the first picture. This is the stomata basically, and it trapped the moist air and then reduces the water potential gradient. Yeah. Um, Another adaptation is that it has reduced surface area to volume ratio, and this, like the low surface area to volume, like low surface area, slowed the rate of diffusion, uh, and it must be balanced by need to photosynthesize. So yeah, that's basically the reason why it has low surface area to volume ratio, so that the diffusion may slow. Like the diffusion can be slow, and they must be balanced by need to photosynthesize. Another adaptation is that it has deep or wide spreading root, and they have like tap roots which extend deep into the ground to access water. So in here, um, they they need water, and this maximizes water loss. And it's wide because the plants can capture as much water after the rain as possible. So yeah, in the exam they might tell you that, like true or false question maybe, they might tell you that spreading roots minimizes um, water loss, but this is like a false statement because it maximizes the water loss. Yeah. Xerophytes also have a high concentration of salts in roots or cells, so this also maintains a strong osmotic gradient and much more negative water potential in root cells. So more water is likely to go in via osmosis. So, like for this adaptation, I advise you to put that picture inside your head. Like when you put that picture inside your head, you can easily like absorb the information um, very quickly. It's very efficient. It's way better than just writing notes. Last thing, not last, second last, is that it's the xerophytes have leaf coloration, which means that they are colored to reflect the sunlight, and they're usually like gray or like something along those colors. So gray color, and it reflects the sunlight. And another Another adaptation is succulents. I don't know how to pronounce it properly, but like you just have to know the spelling for the exam. So in here, water is stored in fleshy roots. So as you can see in the picture, there's like water. So basically, succulents means juicy. So it has water stored in these fleshy roots, and which these compensate the lack of surface area and conserve water. So basically, less water, um, more water is stored basically. Yeah, these are the things that you need to know about xerophytes. Adaptation, what are they? So they are plants that adapted to reduce the amount of water loss, and adaptations that I explained in the video. So it's a very simple topic. Just all you have to do is imagine the picture inside your head. If you imagine it really well, you can answer any exam question on this topic. Yeah. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you have a nice week. See you in the next video. Make sure to stay safe, and if you like the video, subscribe. Bye.